Hey guys, so today I'm going to share to you my trading plan for today. So, for the past few hours, I've been observing Bitcoin and it has just been consolidating at around these areas right here. Okay, so at around, let's see, at around the 58,000 levels to around the 59,000 levels. And a while ago, I noticed Bitcoin. It tried to break this box right here. So I told myself if Bitcoin would close above this box, then I will be entering the trade. And indeed, in the next candle that we can see here, Bitcoin closed above this box at around these levels. Okay, it closed at around the 59,360 levels. So that is when I entered the trade. And if you're going to look at its 5-minute time frame, you would see it here that Bitcoin tried to go up. Okay, tried to go up at around these areas right here, and it went down again to around the 59,300 levels. So that's when I confirmed that, yeah, I think my entry level is correct because now Bitcoin is respecting its previous consolidation box right here and it is now forming a new support levels on top of it. Okay, so that is when I gained my confidence in trading Bitcoin. So, yeah, look at what is happening right now. I'm currently up with around $7. Let's go back to our 15-minute time frame. So yeah, this is what we are seeing right now. Bitcoin is just moving upwards, okay? And now we are at around the 60,480 levels, okay? Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to identify our take profit levels. Let's go to our 1-day time frame. Now, I placed my target profit levels at around these areas. Okay, why? Because if we are going to turn on our moving averages, okay, there you go. As what you can see, Bitcoin is now sitting at the green line right here, okay? The green line is the 20 MA. And if you're going to notice, we also have our red line right here, okay? So the red line is the 50 MA. So in our previous videos, we discussed that the moving averages could serve as a support and resistance, right? So the green line right here is now serving as a support levels for Bitcoin, and the red line right here could serve as the new resistance levels for Bitcoin. So that is why I'm also taking my profits at around these areas because I know that if Bitcoin would reach that levels right there, then it would start to go downwards again. Okay, so as what you can see in this particular trade, I am risking $2 for a $13 potential profit. And I'm quite confident that Bitcoin would be reaching these levels right here or maybe higher because in the past few days, Bitcoin has just been moving sideways, right? If you're going to look at the news, there are a lot of good news. There are a lot of potential information that could drive Bitcoin to move higher, but Bitcoin remains sideways, right? Bitcoin remains stagnant. So I'm thinking that people are quite hungry for gains. People are now very excited to see Bitcoin moving again. And now that we are moving again, I guess that people would be pushing Bitcoin to go even higher in the next few hours. Okay, so let us just observe what will happen for this particular trade. But yeah, I'm quite positive that we will be reaching these levels right here in the next few hours. Okay, now if you're planning to enter a trade here, okay, it's not a good idea for you to enter as of the moment because we are very near our next resistance levels. As what I've said, we are near the 50 MA already. So the best area for you to enter Bitcoin would be at around these levels right here. So let's consider its previous resistance levels at around these areas right here. And then let's plot our Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so to around these areas, going to these areas, and then let us just extend it. Okay, now the best areas for you to buy Bitcoin again, if you're planning to enter it, would be at around these levels. Okay, wait for Bitcoin to go back to around these levels right here, to around the 59,000. 60,000 or around the 60,200 levels. Okay, enter the trade at around these areas, and then your take profit levels would be the same. Okay, take your profits at around the 61,000 levels because the 50 MA could serve as a resistance areas for Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, as of the moment, we are now earning with around $8 as we speak. Let's go to our 15-minute time frame. Okay, there you go, guys. Again, wait for the prices to go back to around these areas. That is the best time for you to add your position or to enter the trade if you have not entered Bitcoin yet. Now let's hide our moving averages. Okay, and delete some of the drawings here so it won't be too confusing. Okay, there you go. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, that's usethebitcoin.com. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Peace out.